Hello, here we have to solve log of x plus log of x minus 3 equals to 1. So before we get to solving this, we need to condense the logs into one single logarithm. So we will get log of x times x minus 3, and this is equal to 1. Let's distribute x on this step and have log of x times x is x to the second minus 3 times x is 3x, and this is equal to 1. On this step, we can rewrite this in exponential form. We have log of x squared minus 3x is equal to 1. Log is of the base 10, so base is 10. The argument is x squared minus 3x, and the exponent is 1. So we get base is 10, exponent is 1, and it's equal to x squared minus 3x. So we get 10 is equal to x squared minus 3x. This is a quadratic equation, so let's solve for 0 by minusing 10 on both sides, and we will get 0 is equal to x squared minus 3x minus 10. Let's factor this by multiplying 1 times negative 10, and we get the product is negative 10. Let's do all of the factor pairs of 10, which are 1 and 10, 2 and 5. Since the product is negative, we are looking for the difference between factors, and we need the difference to be equal to negative 3x. 2 and 5 have difference of 3. We need the difference to be negative, so we need more negatives. So negative 5 and positive 2 will give us difference of negative 3. On this step, you can rewrite negative 3x as positive 2x minus 5x and keep everything else as is and have x squared plus 2x minus 5x minus 10 and factor by grouping. But since the leading coefficient is 1, we can jump straight to the answer and have x plus 2 times x minus 5 as our factors. So once we have our two factors, we get 0 is equal to x plus 2 times x minus 5. To solve this, we set each factor equals to 0. We have x plus 2 equals to 0, and x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x plus 2 equals to 0. Let's minus 2 on both sides, and we get first x is equal to negative 2. Then we have x minus 5 equals to 0. Let's solve this by adding 5 to both sides, and we get second x is equal to 5. Let's check our solutions by plugging them into the original equation of log of x plus log of x minus 3, and it's equal to 1. Let's check x equals to negative 2 by plugging in negative 2 into the original equation and have log of negative 2 plus log of negative 2 minus 3 equals to 1. On the very first step, log of negative 2, we cannot have negative arguments. We cannot have negative inside of the log. If you are not sure, we can double check that with the calculator and have log of negative 2, and it gives us an error. We need to reject x equals to negative 2. Let's check second x, which is equal to 5, by plugging in 5 instead of x into the original equation, and we will have log of 5 plus log of 5 minus 3 is 2, and that has to be equal to 1. So we have log of 5 plus log of 2. Let's combine them into single log of 5 times 2. That has to be equal to 1. This will give us log of 5 times 2 is 10. That has to be equal to 1. Log of 10 is equal to 1. So we get 1 is equal to 1. This is a true statement. So x equals to 5 is our solution. Our solution set is 5. That's all.